understanding our first line of Python code. Before we completely conclude this tutorial, I would like to speak a bit about the first program that we have created, hello world.py. Despite being a short one-line program, there is actually much knowledge to take away from it pertaining to Python fundamentals. So essentially, we are speaking about this line of code, print hello world. You may have certain questions in mind pertaining to this line of code, a few important ones which may be: number one, why did we use the word print? Number two, why is the word print in a different color, orange? Number three, why is the text hello world enclosed in quotation marks? Number four, why is the text hello world enclosed in parentheses? Number five, why is the text hello world in a different color, green? Number six, why have we specifically and only printed the words hello world? I explained this on the second slide of this tutorial. Number seven, can I change the text within the print function to anything I want to print? I would like to say, all questions above and any I may not have mentioned are good questions to ask. I shall attempt to answer all to the best I can. Since we have written our first Python program using one line of code which uses important syntax, language structure and keywords, I would like to explain it to you. A gentle reminder that this is not the only instance in which we will speak about it. We will definitely cover more detail in the future. For now, this is just to enlighten you.